Questrade versus TD Direct Investing versus Wealthsimple. Which is right for you? In this video, I'll figure out which platform suits you best. Questrade, TD Direct Investing, or Wealthsimple.
So to get started, let's start with Questrade. It's ideal for people who want low fees and more control. You can buy ETFs for free, the interface is user-friendly, and it supports registered accounts like RRSP and TSFA. TD Direct Investing, on the other hand, is great if you want everything in one place, especially if you already bank with TD. But the fees are slightly higher, which is $9.99 per trade. It's better suited for long term investors who value full service support and robust research tools. Wealthsimple is the most beginner friendly. It offers commission free trades and automated investing. It's perfect for people who don't want to actively manage their portfolio. So, which is right for you? If you want full control and low fees, go with Questrade. If you're already banking with TD and want everything under one login, TD Direct works. If you're just starting or want a hands-off approach, Wealthsimple is your best bet. And that's how you pick between Questrade, TD Direct Investing, and Wealthsimple.